Indiana John here. Tonight I'm going to be doing a unboxing video, or an unboxing video I should say, of a knife that I've been wanting for a very long time, and I finally decided to get it. And then there was a drop of another knife that I've been wanting for a long time, so I got that, so I'm kind of broke, but I'll be doing an unboxing video, so it doesn't matter. Going to be unboxing with a SOG Salute Mini, fun little knife. Let's see if I can get this with one hand and a boot. Alright, so this knife is not this one. This one is kind of presumably controversial, but not a lot of people actually know about this one. Yeah. Wow, it's a box. There's a box in a box bag thing. Oops, this doesn't have much info on it. Does it? Nope. Oops, I'm good. Alright. Yeah, so it's kind of, sort of a knockoff-ish, but not exactly. But the thing is, the handle scales, or not scales, the handles, its channel, are copycatting a really sweet knife from the early 2000s. It's been discontinued for a long time. I'll just go ahead and say that that was the Archangel. Struggle is real. Okay. Yeah, so the handles are like Archangel handles. Alright, and that, if the Archangel was still being produced, that would kind of be not okay at all. But the thing is, it's been discontinued for like 10 years. So, I don't know. The guy that made it isn't claiming to have come up with it. That's just what he's using. So, I don't know. Sort of questionable, but yeah. They're really cool looking scales. I keep saying scales, they're not scales. Because it's a channel. Alright. Yeah. Uno momento. I got my Torx drivers out here because I thought I was going to have to put it together, but I don't know. I think that I might. Yep. Okay, yeah, so it's not actually put together right now, which is sort of weird. I mean, it's a kit, so it's not really weird, but yeah. So I won't really be flipping it right now, so I do have my Torx, so I'll do that. But this is just like unboxing kind of impressions, a little bit of talking about it. That's nice. That's really nice. So this is what the handles look like. They're channel titanium, so it's one big old solid piece of titanium. Pretty sure it's milled instead of cast. Let me just confirm that. Yeah, so that's, I'm pretty sure that was one big piece and then it was ground away to look like that. Versus some other knives are cast, but pretty sure this is CNC machined. And this blade, Bowie blade, is like one of my favorite looking blades of all time. And this blade came from another channel titanium knife from the early 2000s, the 43. A lot of people are familiar with that. If you're not, you're most likely familiar with its, brother, the 42. Probably the most recognizable Balisong of all time. But I like the 43 way better. I could have gotten the 42 blade for this, which is a Weehawk. That's sort of a very traditional looking knife. Has a really long swedge on it. And it looks really slick, but the 43 looks way, way better. Yeah, so I'm gonna put this together, and then might do some tutorials with it or something like that. Yeah, so if you have any questions about this, or want to know a little bit more about like the whole story behind the guy that makes this, you can just ask in the comments, and I'll try to answer any questions. I think that's pretty much it. Yeah, thanks for watching. Have a good one.